Yeah, I am back in the city. And everywhere I go, a light. It's, oh, no turn on red, no turn on red. Like, Vegas would never. First of all, like, dang, y'all only, y'all want to pull somebody over so bad. But it's cool, though. I'm on my way to get my nephew, and we finna go probably do something. I knew I should have got ready when I first got home. Well, when I got home, so I could just be outside. It's cool though. It's cool. But I rented a car out because I need to be around town. I'm gonna be here for a whole week. I cannot be sitting down. I'm gonna go crazy in the head. So yeah. Oh, what the? Oh well, ugly boy.
Just to look around.
Looking like Sire. Get you, man.
I'm not looking like Sire.
Man, we got some Italian fiesta, man. We in the crib, gang. Gang in this thing. You already know we got the pizza going on. About to set up the Netflix. You got the vendor shift short. Wait, hold on. Can't forget about the crunchy curls, man. We back in Chicago. It ain't Chicago without the vendor shifts. Come on. Stop playing with them. On my way. No need to ask. He's a smooth operator. Y'all, I'm on my way to my brother's school because he wanted to show me his class and his students and stuff. So I'm on my way there, and they're on lunch right now. So hopefully I can, see how that is and just go from there.
So last weekend, I thought you were with your parents. I wanted to tell you.
You were with Josh? Oh,
Some of us
I don't like the texture. I don't like the thick
It's
noodles.
okay.
I guess the reception was so bad.
How you feeling?
Listen to me.
How am I gonna scoop off the flavor off of this and the noodle, babe?
Oh, you don't like the flavor of the noodle?
I don't like the texture. Get the fuck. I don't like the texture.
You want some of my fried rice? I got a large. Yes, you do.
You gonna eat your shrimp on that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We back at it again. With the white vans.
There's another fucking.
Damn, shawty.
Oh, damn, is that? Oh, that must be the pasta.
Baby. I quit. But I'm on my way to my sister's job. She don't know. She thought that she was finna be taking the bus. But I said, girl, let me come pick you up. Let me come pick you up. So I'm on my way to her. I'm on my way to her. Damn. This bang is banging in my eye, God. Anyway. Yeah, but that's on my way, and then we're gonna be on our way to our friend's house, her brother, one of my closest friends. Damn, I'm all on the phone, vlogging and shit. Polly right there, stop playing the Okay, y'all, so I was on my way to my sister's house, but I was seeing sharks. So my sister's job, but I seen sharks. So now I'm gonna go get me some sharks because I'm not getting nothing that I can find in Vegas. I'm getting all Chicago food, period, because we never get the chance to get no Chicago food. I didn't win it, and they meant to my son $30. You played me, because first of all, $13.99 plus $7.99 plus $2. Stop playing. Oh, this. He started looking at my necklace and stuff. Like, I'm finna calculate. I'll be right back. I calculated. It was still $25. I don't know where he got $30 from. What? Plus tax. Talking about, oh, it's downtown. I don't give a fuck if it was around town. Give me my mother. Interest in you. I can. You can trust in me, baby. Yo, I done came up here. First of all, I didn't try to fix my screen, my camera. Okay, there you go. But literally, I came up here to surprise my sister. But, man, Vegas could never. With the jalapeno, hold on. Y'all see that jalapeno, shorty? Booty hole on swell tonight, period. It's almost that. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm waiting on my sister. I'm rushing. Because I'm like, okay, she get off at 12. I ain't let her know that I was coming pick her up. I get here, I'm over here blowing up her phone. I'm at work, girl. Like, sis, you told me you would get off at 12. Now this girl over here trying to make up some time. So I'm over here lying to her. Telling myself, oh yeah, I'm finna make it seem like I'm still at home getting ready. So she getting mad at me like, girl, why are you calling my phone if you ain't even ready? The whole time she don't even know I'm downstairs with her food. Got her some food, drink and all. She talking about, oh, she gonna clock out at 12:30. Girl, if you bring your mother now. But she don't know that I'm downstairs. So I'm just waiting on her. Y'all see that wing? Vegas could never. I'm getting all Chicago food while I'm down here. Nothing I can find in Vegas. Nothing. Cause why? Vegas food nasty. You really gotta dig. You really got to. Y'all see that piece? You really got to eat out expensively in order to get something good. Nothing. No street food really good out there. I don't know. Look, you got the wing. I took the whatchamacallit out. You're gonna put the juice on there. Yeah. This that good stuff. This that mild sauce, shorty. You see that? Yes, thirsty. So we finna go and do a YouTube video. I'm just seeing this this fat ass, this big. Y'all gotta learn how to stop cursing on my YouTube. But y'all probably seen it before I seen it, but it was a house on wheels. That's what I'm trying to get at. Because a house on wheels, surely you can go anywhere. It's a house on wheels. Trailer park, trailer. I don't care what nobody say. I will get a trailer. Cause I guess that's what it's called. Even though it's a trailer on steroids. So they need a new name for it. But yeah, I'm waiting on her. And then my nephew coming back yesterday with his birthday. I ain't even get to spend time with him because he was with his mama. So we're gonna have him a birthday party on the 10th. And my brother's birthday is on the 11th. We finna get jiggy. I'm finna have him all this time. And we finna be going on adventures. Cause me and my nephew finna be out. What's goody? Him and his auntie, T. I hope he don't be trying to act bad, because I ain't got time. He finna be like, he finna be happy, cause I'm gonna make sure he having a good old time. He 2 years old now. That's my sticker butt. Can't nobody play me about my sticker butt. Nobody at all. Cause that's my sticker butt. We all hear that? ASMR. Oh. That's that good ASMR. Do y'all be watching ASMRs? Cause I don't know. I love watching people eat. I be outside. When I be outside at the restaurants and I see people eating, I be like. Then when they catch me, I be. No, let me stop. On some creepy stuff. No, I watch it on YouTube. They do videos like that. I be dang. I love watching the ones where they be eating seafood. Man. Can't tell me Nathan. Can't tell me Nathan. It's kind of like an ASMR right now. Mukbang. I like. It's a mukbang. Y'all see me taste this chicken. Oh! Okay, so it's 12:29. I whole time got her a brisk and got me a Tahitian treat. This is Chicago drink. But I whole time want the brisk. So I'm trying to think if I should get her the Tahitian treat. But I think she like brisk, so I don't think she wanna pop. On her way there, so she finna, she just text me, she said I'm on my way there. I'm finna get out. Hey, bitch!
Wait, what are you talking about? You might be so shy.
Girl, yes, girl. It's so, oh! Period. Brisk right now, bro. We getting this done, gang.
I'm so like, okay, walk to the train real quick.
Girl.
You blew me. Why you ain't just say I'm on fun?
Because I want to surprise you. I was talking to my blog, like, this girl that told me she get out at 12. And I'm over here sitting here since 12 o'clock outside, like.
No,
That's why I'm over there blowing up your phone and stuff.
I know.
Girl.
I'm like, damn, I'm checking in your face and I can't talk right now. So I'm like, damn.
Girl.
I was working.
So now we on the move.
Yeah.
Oh. Ain't that your friend? Ain't that your friend? Don't turn it. Y'all, so I done woke up and into another state because they want to take me out to some shit. I don't even know where I'm at.
Look. I told her, she said, what we doing? I'm like, what you got on? She told me, I'm like, change it. I'm changing outfit.
He ain't say nothing about no rock climbing or none of that.
I said, change your outfit, right? She say, okay. See, you know what? You just gonna give me one of your shirts. I'm like, all right, bet. I'm like, what kind of shoes you got on? She said, these. I'm like, do you care about getting them dirty? I'm like, get some more. What that mean? Get some more shoes, right?
Yeah.
Why you ain't get the more shoes?
She got her slides.
She be doing all those shoes.
Yeah, Sersky. First of all, I'm out here trying to.
Right or wrong? Did I not hit it on the nose of what I just told you before you left the house?
I mean, you ain't tell her to like. He ain't tell me. Right. I'm thinking he was making a similar video. I'm thinking he finna. I'm thinking, you know, but he ain't say about no climbing and all of that. I ain't even got no climbing shoes.
When I say, do you care about your shoes? He said, yeah, change it. That means shit might happen.
It's gonna get dirty. I don't like that, y'all. I feel like I was sent off. I might have a snake in my boot or something. I don't know. Snake in the cigar.
I told you to change the whole outfit. But no, you don't want to change. But you just gonna give me some of your stuff.
I can't.
What a hoochie say?
Bitch with all that goofy shit.
Get ready with a baby is so freaking scary. Not scary, but it's a lot of work. We finna go to the color factory, have a little fun. I don't know how his head got like that, but I don't know how his head got like that. But look at that booger nose. Say hey, vlog. Hey, vlog. Yeah, he is crazy, but we on our way. I finally got my battery charged, so I'm gonna be recording on my camera now. Hopefully we get some good pictures in. I brought my tripod, so yep. A for apple, A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for cat, C for cat, D for dog, D for dog. Y'all, we are down. You ready? Say ready, 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 have some fun. You always get quiet when I turn this camera on. He was literally just screaming all through this thing. Tell him how you were just screaming, Doody. Hell no. Okay, anyway. Pink. Pink. Yellow.
Black.
Blue.
Blue.
Come on, Doody. Wow.
I put the bag
Ooh, ooh, he got the moves. 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 Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Get a bookie, get a bookie, get a bookie, get a bookie, get a bookie. Oh, 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 oh. You like the song? Oh, oh. Wow. Okay. Let me try Papa. Ready? Here. Over. Hmm.
2, 1.
What are you getting? Say ah. 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 I don't know. It tastes like purple. Okay, so the game is we figure out what does the flavor taste like? Red, blue, purple, green, orange. Okay, ready? Say ah. Okay. All right, here. You're crazy. Here. It tastes like Coca-Cola. Hey, chill. Hey. Do you want some? Do you want some? Hey, stop it. See? Hey. That's enough. You want to get up? Here. Okay. Go ahead. Crazy. Crazy boy. He's crazy.
White.
Black. What is this? Green. Blue. I hope you're having fun, my guys. What is going on? I'm the one that follows him. Let's get that Portillo's. Yes, thirsty. Portillo's. Finna go through that drive-thru. I done went the wrong way over here trying to record everything. God damn, now I gotta drive around. Okay, but we at Portillo's. I'm finna get my little man some chicken sandals. You hungry, dude? Him hungry back there. Him hungry. I already know. That's my thinker, but even though he was over there acting a fool after a while, but I think he just hungry. Oh my God, there's somebody else just got in line. I can't breathe. I can't fucking breathe. Alright, we finna get in line. Finna get him some chicken sanders. Finna get him some chicken sanders. I'm finna get me a motherfucking croissant. Beef on a croissant. Melted cheese. Ooh, drive through, here we come. Hey, Dodi. Say good morning. What are you doing? Oh my God. Me and my stick of blood, we finna go to, his hair look more crazy and crazy every day. But we finna go to the mall. He's like that. We're going to the mall to go see if we can find him some stuff. I already went to Target yesterday and got him some stuff, but okay. All right.
You see him know that it's a year ride. Damn, it's so far back. Whipping through the 305 highway. Loving like a ride.
Tired.
Baby, wanna say that's my baby.
He said, Daddy, do something about that. She scared me. I don't like it.
Rah! Really? It's when he get the say, don't play with that boy yet. Not one of them.
You like, yo, put that back.
Meat to meat. Wall to wall.
Take that rub off.
What you doing, dude?
Don't tell me to stop. Get over here. Don't tell me to stop. He better not.
None of y'all better go home. Y'all mama got me running around early in the morning for some white pants for this boy, because she want him to wear some white pants and do a outfit change all for his birthday.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Perimeter Drive.
I can't. Been over here stressed. She's stressing me out. But anyway, today is my nephew's party, and we about to have us a little ball. He be acting so crazy. I don't know what be wrong with that boy. But I found the pants. Drove 30 minutes out to get these pants. He better not waste a crumb on these pants. I ain't playing either. Y'all see my head? I wasn't even able to do my hair. I had to hurry up and leave. This is how stressed she over here making me. I ain't got no comb, no nothing. Now I gotta drive back and meet her back at the house. Hopefully my brother got him in the tub. But yes, his party started at 1. It's about to be 11:30 by the time I get there, so hopefully everybody ready. And yeah. Sorry, so I gotta catch you lacking. He gone. Father, boss, baby, Saya. Father of Boss Baby Sire. Father. Sire. Father. Let me start recording before you start.
No, fuck that. What?
Let me start recording so you can go ahead now. You can finish going off.
No.
This the grandma Boss Baby, mama.
No.
This the grandma of the Boss Baby.
Yeah, pulling all this. Go to the Boss Baby and give me 3 blue tablecloths.
What? What's Boss Baby?
Go to Walgreens and give me 3 blue tablecloths from the party place. Hurry up, because I need them. Hi.
Y'all see this lady put me straight to work. Like, I can't even breathe. Just using all my little pockets. Go to Walgreens, get to blow clap. Like, child. What if I ain't have 3 blue tablecloth money?
You wanna get down? Up? Up?
Look at that cake, should. Oh, I didn't even know I was still recording. Y'all see them Boss Baby water bottles? Y'all see that Boss Baby cake? Look at that Boss Baby cake with the Boss Baby snacks and the Boss Baby goodie bags and the Boss Baby. He a gangster. That's a real Boss Baby. Look at the Boss Baby. Oh, cute. With the money bag. Money. Is this real? Oh, this fake money. Yeah. I thought this is what we was doing. Putting money on the balloon. But extra gift. Shall we be the first? It's fake money.
It look like real.
It do. But Boss Baby Sire. That Boss Baby Sire. Look at the balloons. Him a baby on there. Oh my god. Look at the balloons. He's so cute. Oh. Oh. That's a real gangster right there. That's a real gangster. Oh, he's so cute. Why do the flag? This the real version. Run away. Then this what he gonna do every time. And then we wonder why he be screaming and crying. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sire. Happy birthday to you. We got all the gifts. Stuff I got from my booty, but yeah, y'all see y'all these gifts short. I did the most, but I ain't gonna say too much. What you gotta say? Are you exhausted or what?
I am exhausted.
There's the father. He don't know what he wants to do with his life.
So when he get up, this is what I need y'all to do.
Y'all, the kids is at home. We finna get the grown folks stuff going on. If you know what I mean. You know what you mean. Shorty, you ain't never seen nobody with no skates that like no shorty. Oh snap, shorty, you ain't ready.
I had to bring it back to the table.
Be around you, embrace all my flaws when you didn't have to stay holding me down, even when I'm not around. When you see him, know it's on me. When you see him, know it's on me. When you see him, know that that's on me right there. When you see him, know it's on me. When you see him, know it's on me.
Mom, what you gotta say? It's the morning of my brother's birthday. She cooking it up. Woot, woot.
Hey sis, what's going on? Just checking on you. Cooking for Clee's birthday.
Okay, she got the shrimps. Okay, pata. Butter corn. Look at him, we showing him his gifts. My mama done threw down the whole meal. Y'all see that? Y'all see that cake? Don't play with it with the shrimp. What's up in there? Let's see. You ate! Oh my god.
Don't do me.
Wow.
Don't try to pull your outfits out.
Why you ate on the meal? You could never.
Girl,
They could never. They could never.
Yeah. With the other food that came in.
You ate.
Now you got the clapping going on.
I mean, look at that shit. She gave y'all a full.
It's a full spread.
The full spread. Please. Finna eat good. Pookie butt, what you gotta say? Say you ate, Granny.
They're bringing them out. Oh my golden butt.
Let's go. Let's do not leave these spaghettios.
Got you a whole
You did that.
multiple days.
How you feeling, Joy? You got a full course meal over here. Ooh.
I just feel so loved. Alright.
It sounds like what?
Happy birthday. You heard the happy birthday song. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's the excitement in your face.
It's
just like we were trying on the
Happy birthday.
Oh, that's cute.
Happy birthday.
Hey, to you. That to me, to you. To Clee. That's what it is. So
Happy birthday to
Clee. So yeah. Blast it.
Blow it out.
Wait a minute now. Let me get out. You did just wake up. Calm down.
That's my shit.
Oh Lord.
You always screaming.
Come on, Zay.
Y'all, I am on my way to my sister's fashion show. I thought I would go make it, but I'm like, you know what? I'll make it out here, right? So that's what I'm on my way doing. And, yeah, she's gonna be walking in the show, her first fashion show, I think. But I'm excited for her, so we're gonna see how it goes.
That's my baby. And it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. But your drip got me feeling wavy. Make you feel lucky, make you wanna love me. Baby, when you with me, baby, I know worries. I love it when you touch me, feeling so lovely. Make me wanna love me, let me feel lucky. Let me catch your vibe, let's just take our time. Just me like you're mine, and take it easy. Don't have to be sorry. You do, I do. I don't have to be mine, and take it easy. All you wanna do is gas me. no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey. Baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide, slide.
I went out there because I went out there for Dee's birthday and we had a good time.
It's me get the recording and shit.
Bitch, I'm fucking musty as hell. I think. Come on. I just shaved my armpits so smelly. Not fair. No,
Okay.
Don't play like that for real. My shit babysitting. Wait.
Girl, I gotta drive.
That's so true. That's so true. I'm talking about that's so true. That's so true.
Don't do this at home, kids. No, I'm playing.
I love a vloggy vlog.
I'm trying to get it together now. I'm trying to get a weekly vlog in.
So when the next time you want to bake this?
You say you're ready? Ready? Say come on. Say come on, TT. It's time to go, y'all. Let me see your bottle. Give me your bottle. Give it to me. Thank you. It's upstairs, Kay. Bye-bye, booby. Say bye, TT. Bye. Say bye, TT. He see his granny. He don't know. Mom, you left it upstairs. What you mean about that? Yeah, because I had to use it today. I'm trying to make sure it ain't nothing left up in that book bag.
I put that fake money up.
That was it? Look at my hands. He's over there peeling and stuff.
Why?
I don't know.
You, my daughter, I really enjoyed you.
Grandma.
Stop screaming.
Oh!
My God.
Why would you pursue to put your finger in my mouth? I forgot to wipe his face though.
Yeah.
I know he got boogers and all. Look at this bum. My face is like breaking out him.
Yeah, I see it.
You
wanna come get the book bag?
You ate that? What's your name? Shorty. Shorty. Let me holler at you real quick.
So you gone?
You ate, Shorty. That's your roll. Go, this is my snack for the roll. Get out. Move. You always taking something. Bye. I gotta go. Get away from the car.